Welcome, my dear Goenkans, to the English class. I hope you all are fine. So, in today's English class, we will do an exercise on singular and plural nouns. So, you all will take out your English grammar notebooks quickly and write down today's date, that is 15/4/21 at the top of your notebook. Make sure you will maintain the index as well. So, before doing an exercise, let me tell you what's the singular noun. Singular noun is a noun that is one in number, and plural noun is a noun that is more than one in number. After this, we learnt about the rules. How can we change singular nouns into a plural nouns? So you have to apply those rules by changing the singular nouns that are given here into the plural. So use s, ies, es or ves to write the given words in plural. On one side, you are given with singular nouns and you have to write down plural nouns in the space provided. Alright, so let me help you with a few nouns. First one is table. So you have to recall the rule number 1, that is, most singular nouns are formed plural by simply adding s. So the plural form of table will be tables. What is rule number 2? Rule number 2 was, if any word ends with y and before y we have a consonant or we can have a vowel. If we have a consonant, we will change y into I and we will add es. So this rule will be applied to number 2 noun, that is baby. So its plural form will be babies. Same will be applied to the third one, that is story. Now let's come to fifth one, that is thief. thief. Recall F rule. If a word is ending with F, then we will change F into V and we will add es. So thief will become thieves. thieves. Next one is watch. Let's try this one. watch. The rule states, if a word is ending with ch, sh, double s, s or x, we will make its plural by simply adding es. So the plural form of watch will be watches. Alright, so you will try to complete rest of the parts yourself. Make sure you will write down neatly and you will maintain the index as well. So this was all about today. I'll get back to you with another session. Till then, stay blessed and take care.